bad design can ruin a great product. When users run into usability problems, they don't blame themselves. They get frustrated, make mistakes, and eventually abandon your product altogether. Today we're covering 4 common usability issues and exactly how to fix them. Issue number 1, complex interfaces. This happens when designers overwhelm users with too much information or cluttered layouts. The solution? Focus on simplicity. Prioritize core actions and hide advanced options behind clean menus, just like modern banking apps do to keep things straightforward. Issue number 2, inconsistent navigation. If your menus, links, or buttons change position from one page to another, users will instantly feel lost. The solution? Keep it uniform. Look at giants like Amazon. Their search bar and core menus are locked in the exact same spot on every single page, reducing mental effort. Issue number 3, poor error messages. Vague technical codes give users zero guidance on what went wrong. The solution? Use plain language and offer an immediate fix. Instead of saying invalid input, guide them clearly by saying, please enter the date in MMDDYYY format. Issue number 4, lack of accessibility. Ignoring users with visual, auditory, or motor disabilities excludes a massive portion of your audience. The solution? Design for inclusion. Implement screen reader support, add alternative text for images, and ensure your system supports high contrast options and text resizing. By tackling complexity, keeping layouts consistent, writing helpful errors, and building for accessibility, you create systems that users love. What's your biggest design pet peeve? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.